Also hanging on to some warm weather for the time being, in spite of the fact it's starting to look different up there over the higher terrain. In fact, a beautiful view up near Sundance, but you can see some of those colors already changing. If you're wondering when autumn officially begins, well, take your pick. Meteorological fall began yesterday. September 1st goes to the end of November. That follows the cooler temperatures along the calendar, but astronomical fall based on the Earth's position relative to the sun will begin later in September, and that's what shows up on the calendar itself. Now this morning we've got a few clouds around, a few high base showers in western Utah, but aside from that, fair skies across the state. And a mild temperature in Salt Lake City. It feels like it's summer warm morning, certainly, with a temperature of 69 degrees currently. Low 50s in Logan, 60 in Delta, mid 60s in Moab. St. George is starting out at 77 degrees this morning. Now, high pressure is in place over Utah that's going to dominate our weather pattern, initially keeping it very warm, but at the same time allowing a southerly flow to develop and allowing that monsoonal moisture to make its way back into the state over the next few days. And as it gradually moves in, we'll get a better chance of some showers and thunderstorms developing as the week progresses. But today we'll peak at 93 like we did yesterday. That puts us about 5 degrees above average for this time of year. Mid 80s in Park City. Your 101 in St. George. In general, sunny in the north, becoming partly cloudy in the south. Slight chance of a few thunderstorms over the mountains, especially in far southern Utah. But again, with that moisture increasing, that becomes more likely next few days. In fact, by the middle of the week, better chance of some storms that could bring some rain in the south and therefore increase the flash flood potential. And in Salt Lake City, it'll be partly cloudy. Low 90s heading into the middle of the week with some mountain thunderstorms, but a better chance down in the valleys by the weekend. And with wet weather likely, temperature drops all the way into the low 80s by then.